Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I will show you how you can use Smart Shot AI to simplify your tasks. Whether you are summarizing content, analyzing text, or generating insights efficiently, let's get started. First, head to the Smart Shot AI website or app on your device. If you are new, sign up for an account using your email or log in with your existing credentials because without login, you can't use features of this app. Once log in, you will see this main dashboard. Now here you will see these two options where you have to paste your script of your video you want to make, or you can generate script directly from here. Just type topic name, select language, and then click on generate. But to use this feature, you will need to buy premium of $19 per month. I mean, you can choose any plan from this like $39 per month or $69 per month. Price depends on number of features you have to use. Now head back and click here on your script. Now this is very easy. Just paste your script here if you don't have voiceover. But if you have your recorded voiceover, then you can import it to use it. Now once you paste your script, then select aspect ratio as I choose portrait. Then click on next. Now you have to choose voice as few of it are free. I choose Nova. Now click on next. Now you are into the last step where you have to choose images template, like I choose realistic. Then here you have option to add prompt, like what you want or don't want in your video. Like I'm typing here don't add men. Then here you can manage photos, altering timing, like I choose 2.5 seconds so that after every 2.5 seconds images will change. You can also manage voice speed. Now following are some basic editing which you can use as per your need. Then if you want 3D motion, then just drag this bar to the right, then tap on start. Now video is in process, like you can see this video. Here in calendar, you can manage this content on your social media by setting timing, and can also select or add platforms where you want to post. This is how you can use this app.